Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maggie. I'm doing something fun that I don't know if anybody is doing or has done before. I'm doing a 12 days of Christmas looks, so they're going to be inspired by Christmas or like Christmas-y. And this is the first day of Christmas. I am pre-filming this one and probably like most of them because I don't want to film, edit, and post all in one day because that would be extremely stressful. So I am pre-filming so I can have them ready to go, and that way I can actually like enjoy the holidays and my daughter's birthdays during the holidays. So I am pre-filming. So because I am going to be posting a video for 12 days in a row and the base is going to generally be the same, I just might use different products, I'm going to like speed through it. I'll always like show the products I'm going to use and say what they are and stuff, but then it'll be like sped up, if that makes sense. So without further ado, let's get started. So let me actually pull my hair back. I am going to be going in with the No Pore Blend Priming Water. My skin is kind of dry. No matter what I do, I always get this everywhere. So I'm gonna, look, there's a bubble. I'm gonna try and not get it all over the place today. Maybe. Oh, it's such a weird feeling. I hate my face being wet. Like, it's, oh my goodness. I cannot stand it. I don't know why, like, swimming and stuff, I don't like to have my face wet. Even when I, like, wash my face, I have to, like, I'll try and wash it really good. But then I will rinse it off as fast as humanly possible to try and, so that way I rinse it off and then I instantly like wipe all of the water off I can as quickly as I can. Like, I can't stand it. It's a pet peeve. I don't know why. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. I love this stuff. It is great, but it is a little dark for my skin tone, so I'm going to be mixing a concealer with it to try and make it a little bit lighter, because I don't think I have a foundation light enough to mix with it that'll actually work to try and make it lighter. So I'm going to use a concealer and hopefully look at the color difference. Hopefully that will make it light enough. So let's, maybe. Ooh, actually, I think that was like perfect. Let's hope I did enough though. I do not think I did enough. Definitely not. I think the combo I just did like made the perfect skin match. At least it looks kind of like it. Oh no, it didn't. It's still too dark. Oh well. It'll be okay. Okay. I do love this foundation though. It is really nice coverage. It lays nice. It doesn't dry too fast. I like it. I enjoy it a lot. For concealer, I'm going to be going in with the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue in shade 05. One day I will remember that. And under my eyes to hide the baggage that I get from my kids. See, now it doesn't look like I tan too much in the face. It looks better. I'm going to be using the Morphe Bacon Set Translucent Powder. I think I said this previously, that even though it says translucent, it does have kind of a creamish, like a tanner tint to it, which I feel like makes it to where it's not translucent, but for me it works. I don't mind it. Set the under eye first. Oops. I am going to be using the Morphe bronzer in shade Debutante. This is a very dark bronzer though, so I gotta go in with a very light hand. Next, I'm going to be going in with blush. I'm using the Milani Powder Blush in shade Tea Rose. I love this shade. It is my favorite. It's just the right shade of pink. I don't like super pinky blushes. I'm not an orange blush fan either, like a peach. I'm going to swipe away that powder. I inhaled it. Next, I'm gonna go in with highlight. I'm using the Madison Miller blush, or the 3-pan. I'm gonna be using the pinky, the pinkier of the two highlights. You know, this is, ooh, look at it. Some bomb highlight. Okay, the eyeshadow for today is going to be very simple, literally 1, maybe 2 shades. I'm going to be using the Morphe by James Charles palette. Oh, you can see it. It's hit or miss if you can actually see it. One of the shades I know for sure I'm going to be using is shade Flashback. If it'll open. So I'm going to go ahead and start with Flashback, and just going to be putting it all over. It looks weird. I know, it looks weird. Yep. This is the life choice that I made. I think it looks a little weird, so I'm gonna add Punch Me, which is like a light taupey brown color. And I'm gonna go in very lightly with it because I don't want this to be super prominent. Now it just looks like my skin. So I think now that we got Flashback and technically Punch Me on my eyelid, even though I put Flashback back over it, I'm gonna add like I think I'm gonna add Sister just to add a shimmer. To make it look less plain. It's not really doing a lot, but I don't want it to. It is time to do eyeliner. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm going to use the green one first. It is shade Vivid Envy from NYX Vivid Brights. Ooh, it's kind of, I think, darker than I was anticipating it to be. I'm going to use my little mirror. I'm going to do be right back. Love this shade of green. It's so pretty. I'm so excited. It's turning out so good. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm I'm gonna use the red now. It is shade Vivid Fire, in the NYX Vivid Brights as well. I'm gonna try and do this. I'm gonna go under the green. Ooh, I like it. Then I'm gonna go over the green. I have to like hold my breath while I do this because it's such a fine line. I did it! I'm so excited. I'm so excited right now. But I'm not done with this. This is so stressful. But I like how it's turning out. I gotta try and do the other side, and I'm a little nervous. But I'm gonna do that off camera and I'll be back. Just know whenever I do this eye, I'm off camera. So far, this eye is definitely better, but they're both good. I'm gonna leave the eyeliner like it is, but I'm gonna go in with a T from the James Charles palette. It's just like a dark brown. I'm gonna put it just like that. I'm gonna blend it out a little bit up. All right, I think I'm gonna call this good. All right, so for this look, I'm gonna do just a like nude gloss. It is from Luna by Luna. It's just lip gloss called Mars. All right. Ooh, I am actually loving this. Take my hair down. Alright, now that I am done with all of my eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in with mascara. I'm not putting on false lashes. This is it. This side I definitely feel like turned out a lot better than this side, but that always happens where one side you like one side more than the other. At least that always happens to me. I kind of live. I like how it turned out. I know this one is really simple, but I wanted to start out simple because the days to follow are going to be more intricate, and I have a lot of fun ideas planned, and they're kind of, a couple of them are outside of my comfort zone, but you know, that's part of the exciting part of doing stuff like this, is that you have to push yourself, because doing 12 days of Christmas looks, you gotta push yourself. At least I have to push myself to create that many Christmas themed looks. Yeah, I'm really excited. So make sure you subscribe and like before you leave. That's all I have. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree.
For For concealer, I'm going to be going in. Why did I say it like that? I just got this everywhere. And I'm going to be using that